really fun. This chart and Polkadot's chart look pretty identical. Here, take a look at that. And then take a look at dot. Those two graphs look yeah, it's moving the same. Interesting. I mean, it's already fallen off its cliff. Its cliff was here. This looks like it's going to come down quite a bit. Yeah, that was its cliff. I mean, the next support. Yeah, this is really bleeding. As Bitcoin makes higher lows, this is making lower lows. This is a perfect example of bleeding versus Bitcoin. You know, because Bitcoin has been making successful higher lows, and this is making lower low after lower low after lower low. As Bitcoin, since roughly this point, is making higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Yeah, this is what you call a bleed. And if you check the Link BTC chart, it is really getting its butt kicked. And this has another cliff hanger. Yikes. Yeah, if it falls off this cliff on honestly, the BTC chart might be more important to look at for Chainlink. If it can't use this as support, it's going to start bleeding harder versus Bitcoin, because it's going to accelerate down versus Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin has any type of down move while Chainlink is accelerating down versus the price of Bitcoin, it's going to move down real fast. And it's going to tag its lows at $7.50 here, at least on this chart. But yeah, it looks like Chainlink is headed straight towards $10.25. I don't see it bouncing before that. I don't think it can get its footing until it hits 10.25. Yeah, that would be where I see it potentially starting to turn back around and doing a little U-turn here. Not a V-shape, but a U-turn. It would have a chance, but I think it has to hit 10.25. And therefore, I don't think I need to give, if it were to start getting back above this area here first, which I don't think it can yet because it's got to find a trampoline. Like, there is no trampoline to jump off here. But in the event that Bitcoin had a powerful move up to 50K, which is still possible, this could find some footing based off of the trampoline of Bitcoin. Like, Bitcoin could come in here and throw at a trampoline right here, essentially, even though it's not on the charts. And Chainlink would have a chance only because of Bitcoin to get back above 17 bucks, use it as support, and then have a nice rally. However, without a Bitcoin move up above 45K, this is going to hit 10.25 with a very, very, very high likelihood. Yeah, this is bleeding hard. So is dot, though. I mean, dot is bleeding badly. I mean,